Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of dropshipping. You've probably heard the buzz, this business model where you sell products online without holding any inventory yourself. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But then you hit a roadblock. All these tools and platforms pop up, each promising to be the key to dropshipping success. One name you might see a lot is Spocket. So, the question is, can you use Spocket for free and actually get your dropshipping business off the ground? Let's break it down and see if Spocket can be your launchpad, or if there's more to the story. The allure of free, why Spocket seems like a dropshipping dream. There's something undeniably attractive about free. Who wouldn't want to skip the upfront costs and test the waters before diving in? Spocket understands this. That's why they offer a free plan, the basic plan, designed to give you a taste of what their platform can do. Here's what you get with Spocket Basic. Access to a curated selection of US and EU-based suppliers. This can be a major advantage, especially when it comes to faster shipping times and potentially better product quality. You can import up to 25 products directly into your online store. This lets you experiment with different products and see what resonates with your target audience. Spocket also throws in some helpful features on the free plan, like order tracking and real-time inventory updates. This gives you a basic level of control over your dropshipping operation. The reality check, limitations of the Spocket free plan. Now, before you get too excited, there are some limitations to consider with the free plan. Here's what you might bump into. Product restriction, 25 products might seem like enough to start, but what if you find a niche with more potential? You'll be out of luck on the free plan. Branding woes, your products will likely arrive with the supplier's branding. This isn't ideal if you're aiming to build your own brand identity. Limited automation, the free plan offers basic order processing, but you'll miss out on features like automated order fulfillment, which can save you tons of time as your business grows. Sales cap, there's a hidden catch, you can only generate up to $5,000 in sales on the free plan. Once you hit that limit, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to keep selling. So, can you really run a successful dropshipping business for free with Spocket? The short answer is no. While the free plan is a great way to test the waters of Spocket and dropshipping in general, it's not a sustainable solution for a serious business. The limitations will quickly hold you back. Here's the thing, a successful dropshipping business relies on scalability and efficiency. You need to be able to offer a wider range of products, build your brand, and automate tasks to free up your time to focus on marketing and growth. The free plan just doesn't offer the tools you need to get there. Alternatives and considerations, exploring your options. This doesn't mean Spocket is a bad option altogether. Their paid plans offer a lot of value, with features like unlimited product imports, brand removal, and automated order fulfillment. But there are also other dropshipping platforms out there to consider, each with its own pricing and feature set. The key is to do your research and find the platform that best fits your budget and business needs. Here are some questions to ask yourself. What's your budget? Compare pricing plans across different platforms. Remember, a paid plan might seem expensive up front, but it can save you time and money in the long run with automation and other features. What kind of products do you want to sell? Make sure the platform offers a wide range of suppliers in your desired niche. How important is branding? Choose a platform that allows you to remove supplier branding and customize packaging if that's a priority for you. The final word, invest in your dropshipping success. Look, starting a dropshipping business takes some investment. But think of it this way, you're investing in your future. By choosing the right tools and platform, you're setting yourself up for long-term success. Spocket's free plan is a good starting point, but don't be afraid to explore paid options and invest in the resources that will help your business grow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy dropshipping.